Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Jira Cloud in Microsoft Teams. In this walkthrough, we'll start from Atlassian's Home Hub and take you to the official app listing so you can connect Jira Cloud with Microsoft Teams. Before we begin, it helps to be signed into your Jira Cloud account, and if you're not an administrator, you may need an admin to approve installation and permissions during the process. Begin on Atlassian Home, the central landing page where you can access your products and manage your organization. From here, look to the upper left area of the screen and open the menu labeled Switch Sites or Apps. This menu lets you navigate across your Jira sites and to other Atlassian products, which is handy if you work in multiple environments. In that menu, choose More Atlassian Apps. This expands your view beyond the products you already use, and it's the quickest way to find add-ons that integrate with your existing tools. Now scroll down to the bottom of that panel. You'll find a link called Explore Apps. Go ahead and select it. This takes you to the Atlassian Marketplace, where you can safely discover and install verified integrations. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Microsoft Teams. Typing the full phrase helps surface the official integration quickly. If results look similar, open the listing to confirm that it's designed for Jira Cloud and review the overview, screenshots, and required permissions so you know exactly what will be connected. Click the result to open the app page, then follow the on-screen procedure. You'll typically choose the Jira site where you want the integration installed, approve requested permissions, and, if prompted, sign in so the app can link your Jira Cloud instance with your Microsoft environment. If your organization uses multiple Jira sites, double-check you're installing to the correct one. If you see a permission or admin approval screen, pause and request approval from your site admin. During setup, you may also be asked to sign in with your work account for Microsoft so the connection can be authorized securely. A few quick tips as you proceed. If the Marketplace page doesn't load correctly, refresh the browser or try another tab. If search doesn't return what you expect, retype Microsoft Teams in full. And if pop-ups are blocked, allow them temporarily so authorization windows can open. After the installer completes, the integration is ready. Your team can receive Jira notifications in Microsoft Teams and bring issues into chats and channels to keep work moving where conversations happen. That's it. You've connected Jira Cloud with Microsoft Teams from Atlassian Home through the Marketplace.